Good morning, student. Today we are going to revive chapter number first in English language. Exercise A. Recognize the things give in pictures value and fill in the missing letter to complete their names. Here in some pictures. Number 1. This is an apple. This picture is an apple. And here in a spelling of apple, and then some letters are missing in this spelling, so we fill a double p l e apple, a double p l e apple. Number 2, we are in picture of grapes, and here and we fill some missing letter of the spelling grapes, g r a p e s, grapes. And this is a mango. This picture is a mango, and here we fill some missing letter of spelling mangoes, mango, mango. And this is a banana, so we fill the missing letter of the spelling banana, banana. And this is a picture of a flower rose, and here in spelling of the rose, and some letters missing in this spelling, so we fill rose, rose. This is a lily flower, and here in some letters missing in the spelling of the lily, so we fill lily, lily. And this is the tulip flower, and here in a spelling of the tulip, and some letters are missing, so we fill tulip, tulip. This is a lotus picture, and here in the spelling of the lotus, and some letters are missing in this spelling, so we fill lotus, lotus. And this is a picture of lion, so we fill here in the spelling of lion, 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 lion. This is a picture of goat, so we fill the missing letter, some letters missing in this the spelling of goat, so we fill goat, goat. And this is a picture of bear, and herein some letters missing in the spelling of bear, so we fill bear, bear. And this is the picture of monkey, and this is and herein a spelling of monkey, and there are some letters are missing in this spelling, so we fill monkey, monkey. And number 13, this is a spelling of, this is a picture of pen, so herein we fill the missing letter in the spelling of pen, pen, pen. And this is a picture of brush, and here we fill the missing letter of the spelling brush, brush, brush. And this is a eraser, and herein the spelling of the eraser, and some letters are missing in this spelling, we fill eraser spelling eraser, eraser. And this is a book, and we fill the spelling of book, herein some missing letter in this spelling, we fill book, book. And number 17, herein a picture of eagle, and herein this is the spelling of eagle, and some letters are missing, we fill it eagle, eagle. And this is a picture of crane, herein is spelling of the crane, and some letters are missing, we fill crane, crane. And this is a picture of owl, and herein a spelling of owl, and some letters missing, owl, 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 owl. And this is the picture of crow, crow, crow. Some letters are missing, we fill the spelling of crow, crow, crow. And number 21, This is a picture of chair, and here in the spelling of chair, some letters are missing in this spelling. We fill chair, 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 chair. And this is a picture of desk, and we fill the spelling of desk, desk, desk. This is a picture of stool, and here in the spelling of the stool, and some letters are missing. We fill the spelling of, we fill this spelling stool, stool. And this is picture of the sofa. Here in spelling of the sofa, we fill it now sofa, sofa. And 25 number, this is the spelling of the balloon. Here in some clue, and some clue of the spellings. Here in some missing. Here in spelling of the balloons, and some letters are missing. We fill BALLOON, balloon. And this is a picture of the basket, and here in the spelling of the basket, and some letters are missing. We fill the spelling of basket BASKET. And this is a picture of knife, and this is the spelling of knife, and here is some letters miss, and we fill KNIFE, knife. And this is a picture of the plate, and here in the spelling of the plate, and some letters are missing. We fill PLATE, plate. Now come to the exercise number V. We can rearrange the jumbled names of the different sports goods that are being sold at the shop. Give it a try. Here in a picture of a shop, and there is some jumbled words. In exercise B, we are going to arrange this in a correct order. This is the spelling of the shuttlecock. We arrange this in a right way. Shuttlecock, SHUTTLE, shuttlecock, COCK. And here in a jumble word of the bat, we arrange in a correct order. BAT, bat. Here is spelling of racket, but this is not right in a correct order. We arrange this in correct order. RACQUET, racket. And this is the spelling of the gloves, but it is not arranged in a correct order. We arrange it in correct order. Gloves, GLOVES, gloves. This is the spelling of pads, but it is not arranged in their correct order. We arrange this in a correct order. PADS, pads. Sketchboard, but there is not, this is the spelling of the sketchboard, but it is not right in a correct order. So we arrange this in a correct order. Sketch, SCHES, sketch, BOARD, board. This is the spelling of the carom. We arrange it in a correct order. Carom, CARROM, carom. This is a spelling of football, but it is not right in a correct order. We write it in a correct order. Football, FOOT, foot, BALL, ball, football. This is the spelling of the volleyball, but it is not right in a correct order. We write it in the correct order. Volleyball, VOLLEY, volley, VALL, ball, volleyball. And there is a spelling of the hockey stick, but this is not right in their correct order. We write it in a correct order. HOCKEY, hockey, STICK, stick. And now come to the exercise number C. We revive it. Exercise C, you have two columns of pictures. Combine their names to make new words, compound word. Here in some pictures in this book, we have to write match to the picture to each others, and make a combine and compound word. Combine or a compound word, new words. There is a water and there is milk, and strength, the compound word. Compound word is a two word are used together to make word are called compound word. When two words are used together to make a word are called compound word, or word made by the joining two different letters are called compound words. Words are joining to different letters are compound words. Here in a picture, butter and plus milk. We make a compound word joining together two letters. Water, B-U-T-T-E-R, water, M-I-L-K, milk. So we make a complete compound word butter, milk. And here in a cup and here in a board, we make a compound word cupboard, C-U-P, cup, B-O-A-R-D, board. And here in a picture of foot and ball, we make a compound word to join these two words, foot and ball, F-O-O-T, foot, B-A-L-L, ball, football. Make a compound word. Honey and plus V. Make a compound word honey V, H-O-N-E-Y, honey, B-E-E-V. Here in picture of her house and boat, we make a compound word house boat, H-O-U-S-E, house, B-O-A-T, boat. Here in picture of lamp and light and house, a compound word is light, L-I-G-H-T, light, house, H-O-U-S-E, house. The complete word, we make a compound word light house, L-I-G-H-T, light, H-O-U-S-E, house. Here in a picture of pea and cock, we make to joining two words, make a compound word peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. And there is a picture of wren and there is picture of bow, and we make a compound word to joining together two words, R-A-I-N, wren, V-O-W, bow. The compound word, complete compound word is, the complete word is rainbow. Rainbow is a compound word to make two words joining, together joining. And here in picture of star plus fish. Words made by joining two different words are called compound words. Different words joined together is called compound word. Star plus fish, S-T-A-R, star, F-I-S-H, fish, starfish is a complete compound word. Sun plus flower, the complete compound word, S-U-N, sun, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower, sunflower. And come to the exercise D, matching the compound words. Draw line to match each of the word on the left with a word on the right. Number first, hearing two words, and we match and make a complete compound, make a complete word. Or we say it another way, word made by joining two different words are called compound words. Words are made by joining two different words are called compound words. Same, match this. Basket, basket, we match it with ball, basket, ball. Ground, ground, we match the ground with nut, a complete compound word, ground, nut. And moon, we match with light, the complete compound word, moonlight. Sun, we make the sun with the sign, so we make a complete compound word, sunshine. And wrist watch, wrist watch, wrist is matched with the watch, it's the complete compound word, wrist watch. And butter, butter, we match with the butter with fly, so make a complete word, butterfly. And wrist watch, wrist watch, we match the wrist with watch, the complete compound word, wrist watch. And teaspoon, teaspoon, we make the tea with the spoon, so make a complete compound word, teaspoon. And tooth, we make the tooth with the brush, so make a complete compound word, toothbrush. And we make the door with the word mat, So make a complete compound word, doormat. And window, we make the window with the pen. So make a complete word, window, pen. And student, come to the exercise number E, word game. Word game. Word chain, sorry, word chain. Word game and word chain. Read the series of the word below. The last two letters of the first word are the first to the next. Here in orange, genius, use, sale. No, make your own word chain starting with the word grammar. Grammar. A-R-E, arrow. A-E-R, A-R, O-W, arrow. Honor, O-W-N-E-R, honor. Error, E-R-R-O-R, error. And now come to the exercise number F, joy drill. See the following pictures, then from the sentences using given words. Here in some pictures, and we use this in a word. We use this in a word, cowboy, the horse, the ride, and we make the complete sentences using the given words. The cowboy rides the horse, and yes Sam, we use these words, hen, nest, the egg, in leather. We make a sentence. The hen lay eggs in the nest. So you also write these sentences same I tell you. So student, learn the exercise, revive the exercise, chapter number first, and thank you class. Take care.